Hi there, my name is Michael. I'm a YouTuber, a VIPKid brand ambassador, and for the last 3 years, I've been an English teacher online. Through some of my videos on YouTube, including some that have actually been featured on the official VIPKid website, I've been able to help hundreds of teachers improve the quality of their intro videos and help them book more students. Today, I'm happy to announce that I'm now available to help you do the same thing. If you're an online teacher, chances are at some point in time, you're going to have to create a profile video in order to market yourself to potential students. This is something that a lot of teachers find difficult. They find it overwhelming, they find it frustrating, and unfortunately, this is also where a lot of teachers underperform. And it's not because they're bad teachers, they're not. It's because most people just don't have experience making and editing videos. If that sounds like you, and you're struggling to make your intro video, and you're like, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do, I keep fumbling every time the camera starts rolling, I want you to stick around and watch the rest of this video because I can help you with all of that. After watching videos from dozens and dozens of teachers, I started to realize that everyone was having very similar problems when it came to making their intro video. One of the first problems people had was just that they felt awkward on camera. It's a super awkward thing, making videos like this. In order to get rid of some of that awkwardness, I created a customizable script that you can base your video from. You can totally personalize it so that it still represents you, but it's just meant to kind of take some of the guesswork out of it, so you're not spending time sitting there going, what should I even say in this video? I've done all of that work for you. The second thing that a lot of teachers found difficult was translating their classroom teaching experience into the online environment, because the teaching styles are quite different. Before I became an online teacher, I worked for years as a juggler and a puppeteer, so if there's one thing that I know how to do, it's hold the attention of children. I wanted to put that skill to good use, so on top of the script that you're gonna base your video from, I also made a step-by-step tutorial that's gonna walk you through that script, all 4 parts of it, and it's gonna teach you how to introduce yourself to your students in the most engaging way possible. And the best part of it is that you don't have to have a fancy camera or an expensive microphone. We're gonna do it all on a smartphone. The last thing that I noticed teachers having trouble with was the editing. People either didn't know how to edit or just didn't have time to learn how to edit. Instead of creating a tutorial video showing you how to edit, I'm not gonna do that, I figured, why don't we do it like this? You just get the script, record your clips, and then send them to me. Once you've sent me all those files, you can sit back, put your feet up, I'm gonna be taking care of the editing, and you'll have your video very shortly. Now, before you rush to my website to figure out how we can work together, it's teachermichaelonline.com. Why don't we take a look at some of the videos that I've helped create for other online teachers.
Hi, I'm Teacher Sam and I'm from Canada.
My name is Miss Mona.
I like to eat pizza! Hum, hum, hum.
Dino and I hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
If you want your video to look a little bit more like some of those, why don't you head on over to teachermichaelonline.com and look for the Hire Me button. I look forward to working together, and more importantly, I look forward to helping you introduce yourself to a lot more students. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya!